Monkey Kola health benefits. How to eat and test. Monkey Kola is a lesser known fruit native to West Africa, primarily consumed in countries like Nigeria. It comes in 3 varieties: red, yellow and white, and is highly nutritious. Monkey Kola belongs to the Kola genus, which includes several species. Rich in potassium, calcium, beta-carotene, vitamin B and vitamin C, and also antioxidants. It supports strong bones and teeth, heart health, eye health, and skin repair. Its oxidants help fight inflammation, cancer cells, and boost immunity. The fruit also improves cholesterol level, aids digestion, and supports weight management. Additionally, it offers economic benefits as a seasonal and profitable fruit for sellers. The fruit is often enjoyed for its crunchy texture and sweet taste, but it also offers a range of health benefits. How to enjoy Monkey Kola. Monkey Kola can be eaten fresh as a snack or added to fruit salads and smoothies. Its nutritional value makes it a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. If you are interested in recipes or ways to incorporate Monkey Kola into your meals, please let me know in the comment section, okay? Monkey Kola is typically enjoyed fresh and is prized for its sweet flavor and crunchy texture. Here's how to eat it and what to expect in terms of taste. How to eat Monkey Kola. 1. Choose ripe fruits. Look for fruits with a firm texture and vibrant outer skin, often yellow, orange, or reddish, depending on the species. Avoid fruits with soft spots or signs of overripeness. 2. Wash the fruit. Rinse the Monkey Kola thoroughly under clean water to remove any dirt or debris. 3. Peel the skin. Use your fingers or a knife to peel off the outer skin. The skin comes off easily to reveal the edible pulp inside. 4. Eat the flesh. The crunchy fibrous pulp can be eaten raw. Simply bite into it like you would with an apple. Avoid the seed inside as it's not typically consumed. What it tastes like. Monkey Kola somehow tastes like carrot. The flavor is often compared to tropical fruits with a hint of nuttiness. Texture. The pulp is firm and crunchy, making it satisfying to eat and almost like a cross between an apple and a carrot. Tips for enjoying Monkey Kola. As a snack, eat it raw as a healthy energy-boosting snack. In salads, add chunks of Monkey Kola to fruit salads for a crunchy and sweet element. Pairing. Pair with other topical fruits like mangoes or pineapples for a delightful mix of flavors. If you have access to Monkey Kola, it's a delicious and nutritious way to explore the richness of West African fruits. We've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Till I come your way next time, it's goodbye from Naija Foods. See you in my next video. And bye for now.